How to buy a junkyard engine to save money. Ever wondered how to save hundreds or even thousands on car repairs without cutting corners? Today, we're breaking down how to buy a reliable junkyard engine the smart way and what to look out for so you don't get ripped off. Whether you're a car enthusiast or just need a dependable replacement, this one's for you. Welcome to Gear Shift Auto Parts, your trusted name in used engines, transmissions, and quality auto parts. Before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you never miss tips that save you time, money, and stress. Junkyard engines can be a goldmine, if you know what to look for. First, always check the engine's VIN. It tells you whether the engine is a direct match for your vehicle. Pro tip: ask for the vehicle's mileage and service history. Many junkyards, especially reputable ones like the ones we work with, can provide this info. Next, inspect for signs of wear: oil leaks, corrosion, or burnt fluids. If you're buying from a distance, request high-resolution photos or a video walk-around. At Gear Shift Auto Parts, every used engine we ship is tested, cleaned, and backed by a warranty, so you're not gambling with your hard-earned money. And don't forget the transmission. Replacing both together, if needed, ensures better compatibility and longer life for your vehicle. Still with us? Great! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below if you've ever bought used auto parts or want help finding one. We're here to guide you every step of the way. Here's a quick challenge. Before you buy any used engine, ask the seller, has this been compression tested? If they can't answer, it's a red flag. At Gear Shift Auto Parts, we ensure every part is pressure tested and meets our strict quality standards. Why risk your safety or money when reliable, affordable used auto parts are just a call away? Plus, we offer nationwide shipping and thousands of ready-to-install engines and transmissions. If you're looking to save big and buy smart, contact Gear Shift Auto Parts today. We're not just a junkyard, we're your auto parts partner. Need more details? Don't hesitate to contact us. And remember, every mile you drive with a Gear Shift part is a mile driven with confidence. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more DIY savings, insider tips, and everything auto.